Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Ring floodlight cam not connecting to Wi-Fi. So in order to fix this issue, I have visited to reddit.com where some of the people have mentioned that they have used these methods and it was really helpful for them to fix this issue. So first, you just have to try to change the Wi-Fi signal channel in your router admin panel and you need to reboot the router afterwards. Once complete, you need to see if the floodlight cam start to connect. If that doesn't work, you just have to flip the breaker for one floodlight and wait for 30 seconds before turning it back on. Then you need to wait about 2 to 3 minutes to see if it connects. If it doesn't reconnect still, you need to use the application in order to navigate to the device settings, then go to device health, and from there you can try to reconnect it to the Wi-Fi. So these are some of the troubleshooting steps that you can take in order to fix this issue. If none of the methods work for you, then you can even go to their official website from where you can directly contact with the customer service executive and you can ask them to fix this issue. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.